My name is Franz Aschenbrenner. I am head of operations at our site in Himberg and have been with the company since 2003. Our Himberg site employs 200 people and our annual input is about 65,000 tons. The material comes from commercial and industrial operations in the greater Himberg area. And the final product goes to Sistesdorf, to our own combustion plant. My name is Johann Handler, and I have been with the FCC for 30 years. The basic aim of the purchase was to replace a hydraulically powered single-shaft shredder with a ripper cutter system. Our requirements were an hourly throughput of 50 tons for commercial waste. High resistance to non-shreddables, prevention of blade breakages, energy efficiency, simplified maintenance, and a grain size of less than 300 millimeters for 90% of the output for the splitting processes we envisaged down the line. To secure the purchasing decision, we tested 4 different models over a period of several weeks. At the end of the trial period, the UNTHA ZR2400 was the clear winner. The main decision criteria in favor of the UNTHA was its low energy consumption, thanks to the electromechanical design and combination with synchronous motors, yielding an electricity saving of 100 kilowatt hours per hour. The second important advantage of the ZR2400 was the option of also removing non-shreddables horizontally, via doors on the feed-in side and the back of the unit. This is also an advantage during maintenance. The relatively low loading height for the wheel loader should also be mentioned. FCC has been using pre-shredders from UNTHA at its Himberg site for 20 years. The cooperation of FCC and UNTHA continues to be highly productive. UNTHA has always taken care to reflect the experiences of its customers in the further development of its products. The ZR2400 shredder from UNTHA has been in use since July 2002 and fully complies with our requirement profile.